Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share test series 3 key for MCQs based on atomic structure, especially fundamental particles, atomic number and mass number. Moving to the first question, what the value of E by M for an electron? So E by M means charge by mass. So here the charge of the electron, remember that while calculating the E by M value, we will consider only the magnitude. So the charge on electron is 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs divided by the mass of the electron is 9.11 into 10 power minus 28 gram. So on calculating, we will get 1.75 into 10 power 8 coulombs per gram. So the mass of the electron is 9.11 into 10 power minus 28 grams and the charge is 1.602 into 10 power minus 19. On calculating E by M value, it is equal to 1.75 into 10 power 8 coulomb per gram. So option A is the right answer. Moving to the second question, the increasing order for the values of E by M for electron, proton, neutron and alpha particles is. Just now we calculated E by M value for the electron and that is 1.75 into 10 power 8 coulomb per gram. So moving to the proton, so the mass of the proton is, here the charge is same, but moving to the mass, that is 1.672 into 10 power minus 24 gram. So you just to do the calculation. Next, coming to the E by M value of the neutron. Here the charge of the neutron is 0 and hence it is equal to 0. Coming to the alpha particle, that is the charge is 2 and the mass is 4. So that is equal to 0.5, and here the E by M value of the proton will be somewhat in between the alpha particle and the electron. So here the mass of the neutron is 0, second one is alpha particle, third one is proton and the fourth one is electron. So the increasing order of E by M values is like neutron, alpha particle, proton and the electron. So the right option is C, neutron, alpha particle, proton and the electron. Positively charged electron is known as, atom always contains fundamental particles along with the anti-fundamental particles like anti-proton, anti-neutron, and the anti-electron is called as positron. It carries the positive charge. So option C is the right answer. Let us move on to the fourth question. The maximum sum of the number of neutrons and protons in an isotope of hydrogen is. So hydrogen is having 3 isotopes, H11, H12 and H13. H12 is called as deuterium, H13 is called as tritium. So here we have to calculate the maximum number of neutrons and protons. Here tritium is having the maximum number. So the sum of the neutrons and protons is equal to 3. So here option A, 3 is the right answer. The number of nucleons present in chlorine 37. Nucleons means it consists of both protons and neutrons. So chlorine 37 means it is the mass number which represents both protons and neutrons. So option B 37 is the right answer. The mass of 1 mole of electron is. So always remember 1 mole of any substance consists of Avogadro number of particles. So for calculating the mass of electrons, we have to consider Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10 power 23, and we have to multiply with mass of the electron, that is 9.11 into 10 power minus 28. Just to do the calculation. So on doing the calculation, we will get 54.8 into 10 power minus 5 gram, and that is equal to 0.55 milligram. So here the option is D. D is the right option. The nitride ion in lithium nitride is composed of. So lithium nitride is the substance. Here the charge of the lithium is plus and 3 such ions are present. So what is the charge of nitride? N3. So we have to calculate how many protons and how many electrons are present in the nitride. So the atomic number of nitrogen is 7. So it contains 7 protons. And coming to the electrons, here we have to consider the charge on the nitride. So initially it consists of 7 electrons and minus 3 means 3 electrons are added. So altogether 10 electrons will be present. So option B is the right answer. 7 protons and 10 electrons will be present in the nitride. Let us move on to the 8th question. The isotopes of neutral atom of an element differ in. So H11, H12 and H13 are the isotopes. Here they have the same atomic number but differ in the mass number. So option D is the right answer. Isotopes differ with respect to the mass number. Moving to the 9th question. An oxide of nitrogen has a molecular weight of 30. The total number of electrons present in one molecule of the compound. So we have to consider the oxides of nitrogen. Let us start with NO. Here let us calculate the molecular weight. So the molecular weight is obtained by adding the atomic weights. So the atomic weight of nitrogen is 14 and that of oxygen is 16. So its molecular weight is 30. So here the given oxide is NO. And we are supposed to calculate the number of electrons present in NO. So nitrogen consists of 7 electrons whereas oxygen consists of 8 electrons. So altogether how many electrons are present? 15. So option C 15 is the right answer. Neutron was discovered by Chadwick. So option B is the right answer. Nucleides having different mass number and a different atomic number but they consist of same number of neutrons. They can be called as isotones. And the best examples are silica 1430, phosphorus 1531 and sulfur 1632. When you carefully observe all these three elements, they consist of different atomic numbers, different mass numbers, but when you calculate the number of neutrons, mass number minus atomic number, all the three atoms consist of same number of neutrons. So they can be called as isotones. Option A is the right answer. So here the right option is isotones, that is option A. Moving to the next question, that is 12th question. Which of the following has lowest frequency? So here electromagnetic radiations are given, and when you consider electromagnetic radiations, always microwaves are present on the right side, whereas X-rays, visible rays and IR rays are present on the left side, microwaves are present on the right side, and always the frequency decreases. So we have to find the electromagnetic radiation with lowest frequency, and hence it is microwave. So option C is the right answer. Which of the following properties of a wave is independent of the other? Especially wave number, wavelength and frequency, they depend on each other, but amplitude is independent. So option B is the right answer. What is the frequency of a wave with a wavelength of 550 nanometers? So we are supposed to calculate the frequency. So nu is equal to C by lambda. So what is the value of C? C means the velocity of the light, that is 3 into 10 power 10 centimeters per second, and coming to the wavelength, here it is 550 nanometers, and we have to convert into centimeters, so it should be multiplied by 10 power minus 7, and you just do the calculation. So on calculating, you will get 0.0054 into 10 power 17. Here the answer is given in 10 power 14, that is 5.4 into 10 power 14 hertz. So option A is the right answer. And finally, moving to the 15th question, Einstein was awarded Nobel Prize for. So he received Nobel Prize for the explanation of photoelectric effect. That means the ejection of electrons takes place whenever the material is exposed to electromagnetic radiation. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.